There's a bird in here. Mom, be quiet. I want to keep him. Fly! Go! Rainbow's like, oh shit! Oh shit! He just like flew into my room. I got this. He landed on my mom's head. It was so funny. Hold on. No, I have to like let him out. Mom said, oh shit! My window is frozen. Good times. If you touch me, I swear to God. Fuck. Oh my God. It's frozen from the inside out. I can keep him then. Oh my God. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He's right there. This is so cool. Me and the bay. Hold up. Can you guys see him or no? There we go. Get down. Oh. I bet he loves it in my room. He's locked in here, staying here with me. That's my stuff. Get off my shirts. Jesus. Get down. Oh, just stay flying around. Hold on. If you let it, I swear to God, I'm gonna kick your ass. You don't know. Oh my God. Oh, shit. Where the fuck? Oh shit. What did I tell you about that bird? Damn. Always trying to scare me and shit. This window opens. I think. Oh shit! Get out. I just fixed my window. Oh, can you like stop flying on my shit? Okay. This video. Okay. I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. Oh sh. Oh my God! Get out of there. I think he's stuck. Hey. Are you good? I opened the window. He doesn't care. See, the window's open. Just get out. Well, I have a pet. I'm about to give him some bread. Get off my bed now! I don't share beds. Oh no. You get off those books. He's gone! Bye! He's over there. And it's like really cold out, so I feel bad for him. But like we can't do anything about that. Okay, so I broke my window. Don't tell Mom. Shh.